Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm just going to reveal a new product which is coming on 15th of October. Okay, but the pre-launch has just started, and this is going to be a huge high-ticket product, which is going to be like it is like so many affiliates are jumping onto this one to promote this. So I'm also jumping onto it because that product is high ticket, but what you're going to get is like a done for you system. Like it's like, just imagine if you want to do anything online, anything, if you want to make money online, few things are required. The most important thing, you need to know which product you're going to promote. The second most important thing is how to drive traffic to it. And even after driving traffic, somebody opts in. Imagine even if you have to drive like 1,000 people, or just imagine 100 people you drive traffic to that offer. Just it maximum it is 5 or 10 people who will buy from you. It's even less than, if you're a newbie, it's only one person. Might be if you're an experienced person, might be 3% or 5%. It's very few people who see the offer will buy on the first attempt, like when you send traffic. So this third part, what you require is follow-up sequence, email sequence, which has like you need to get that leads, and then you need to follow up with that leads, right? So you need that proper email sequence, at least minimum they say like 15 days, or some say 40 days. Even some people, the top marketers, they put it for 365 days. There's so many ways to do email follow-up sequence. So it's like, if you're really planning to do affiliate marketing, or if you want to make money online, there's so much involved in it. I'm talking about mainly to do with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this product today, which is like on 15th, is going to be released, which is already started the pre-launch. It's really a way where it's going to be done for you everything. You basically, they're giving you in a silver platter. That's why it's high ticket offer. So let's jump onto the product directly. So just to give you an idea of what it is all about, here we go. Let me minimize the screen here. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is what it is. It's called Massive Affiliate Blueprint by Jamie Taylor. You can see this guy. He's the one behind this product. So what is this all about? It's they say massive affiliate. This guy, just to give you an idea, this product creator, if you have seen him, he's like many of the leaderboards, he's like in the top, like at least in the 1 to 5, he's normally there. So he's the guy behind this one. What he's done is, you can see this, it's basically the Massive Affiliate Blueprint. This is a product, and it's all about, you can see this next generation affiliate marketing system. It's, in simple words, it's done for you system, guys. Okay, there are a few things to do. Like if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, you can take your time, like 1 year, 2 years. You can start going through the YouTube, how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, how to do this, how to do that. You can just do all your own research, and you can do. Not at all like, it is truly possible. I'm not saying not possible. It is truly possible. Everybody has come only like that way. If you really want to have a shortcut, or if you want to have like a jump start, that's what I would say, jump start, this is where it's going to help you with, but you need to spend money on it, right? That's a fact. So that's where it is. You can see this, here's what they will receive. Okay, rather than going through this, let me jump direct to the product, just to give you an idea inside how it looks like. Okay, so without wasting the time, just wanted to show you, this is how the membership area looks like, what you will be given. Okay, so there it is. See, this is everything to do with your plug and play system. This is what I was telling you. You can always take your time, and you can go and learn. You can do everything, learn the email marketing, learn how to find products, learn how to drive traffic. That's the most toughest part actually, okay, out of everything. So this is where the real core of any affiliate marketing is, to make money online. So what this guy have done is, they are put together in such a way that everything is going to give it to you. So only thing you have to do is you just click a link. There's a couple of links, clicks, and then you need to enter your affiliate ID. When I say affiliate ID, it will be JVZoo, it will be ClickBank, or it will be Warrior Plus. So like even Thrivecart, I think they actually made it. They have chosen the product. I think it's 40 of them. I think some 40 or so products they have chosen, which is really converting well. And they are going to give you that push, like, since they're recommending these products, you are going to be instantly approved as well. So you're just going to get your Warrior Plus ID, put it in there. You're going to take the JVZoo ID, put it in there. You're going to take the Thrivecart ID. These are all like affiliate networks I'm talking about. If you really don't know anything about what I'm talking all about, these are all affiliate networks where you normally go and find products to promote. These are places, and it is very, very hard to get approval if you are a newbie. So when you go through such a system, you have a good chance to approval. Okay, so that's the thing. So just to give you an idea what you're going to get. You're going to get 230 emails, which will be over 365 days. That means, as I said, when you promote any product, when you drive like 100, like imagine just like 100 clicks or so, you might end up 1 people, 2 people, a maximum 5 people who might buy. The remaining, they will not buy. This is the truth. Okay, this is a fact. It depends upon how good your offer is, might be your copywriting, all those things are there. A better marketer might convert well, that's all things there. The real money is in the, what they call it is in follow-up. That's because you collect the leads on the front end and you follow up with the email sequence, because they say for the average human, at least you have to show the offer like 7 times or 10 times in front of them. That's why they do this retargeting. This is how they will buy from you. So this is the reason they have this follow-up sequence. This is given to you. Okay, then you're going to get 12 one-click rebrandable PDF lead magnets. This is how you will attract the people to give their email ID, lead magnets. White label affiliate marketing course, 22 videos from him, Jamie. Then 12 capture pages, 12 custom thank you pages, and 1 custom sales affiliate marketing course. Okay, custom sales page. Okay, all this will be given to you. So what is the only thing you will be doing is, this is where it is, set up, done for you system. For me, this is only a basic access I'm showing you. This is not a full access. So once you come here, you just come in. So actually this is what it is. You need to agree. Basically it says you should not share with anything. You just press agree and access the system. For me, it will not go because this is like, since it's not launched, the product is not launched. It is just giving me this. I need to fill up this. This is where it is. You really need to come here and download the system. This is what it is. For me, if I press, it will not. It will just show you what I had to do. 1-click download. So in this video, we are going to download the done for you system and set it up. So you basically come here, you download, you just enter your details. That's it, done for your stuff from the setting up of the system, like for email, for your landing page or your capture pages or the bridge pages. Everything is put together for you just with 1 click. Before this, what you had to do is, okay, that's something that people will not tell you. Okay, when I say capture pages, when I say lead pages, that means there is some funnel builder involved. Okay, so it is not I'll reveal the cost to you soon. But what is there? You will require, in order to, if you want to really go with that done for you system, this is what it is required. You need to have builder all. Okay, people might not tell you about this. They just wanted to promote the product, and they, just I wanted to tell you some hidden costs involved. So this is going to be their promotion. When I say they have set it up, everything together for you, that means if you are already a builder all user, you are really lucky. Like you can really get that everything fast and fine. Even if you have not have builder all, they have made it such a way that you're going to be easily put together the entire builder all stuff, because they're going to give you the done for you landing pages, or the import, they can just import it, or the custom, whatever the pages they are done for you for promoting each and every offer. It's going to be straight to your system. That's how they've done it. So this is required front end. So although you're going to pay like a big going to pay for that entire massive affiliate blueprint, this is going to be some extra cost which will be a monthly recurring. Okay, you need to pay. It's not much compared to what I'm paying for ClickFunnels for $297 per month. Builderall is a competitor, but I'm sure it's good. It's like a reasonable priced one, a very, very reasonably priced one. Okay, so that's something you need to get, that one front end. Then you will be setting up this download your system. It's like once you have done this, everything has a video explaining what you have to do. Maximum, I would say, like half an hour to 1 hour, you will be up and running. That's how they are put together the entire system. Okay, this is if a newbie have to learn everything and do all these things to learn about builder, learn about done for you pages, like lead pages, how to create lead pages, how to add the lead magnet to it, how to collect email IDs, how to add the email sequence. All these things, surely anybody to become an expert, it will take at least 6 months or 1 year to do all these things like regularly. But this is like they're giving you in a silver platter. That's why you're going to pay a good chunk of money. Okay, so that's why it's called plug and play. Okay, they're going to giving it to everything. So once you press click download, so it will not happen for me because it's a review access. Just giving an idea, just what happens. It doesn't even, it's because it's like a demo access for everybody. So I can't show you that one. So it's like once you're done, it will be to the next stage. Okay, that's how it is. Then the sign up for the programs. This is like a list of programs. Again, there's a video. All these are all high quality affiliate marketing programs. You will just need to add your affiliate ID. Okay, all this is going to be included as well. So you can see the spreadsheet. You can, I just don't want to show you the programs. I'm sure all of them are top quality. I know Jamie, he's been in this industry for a while and he promotes high quality products. Okay, so that's something is added there. Then sign up for the programs. That's a cheat sheet. I mean, sorry, spreadsheet of all the list. And then here you can just gonna sign up, I think. Okay, there are some, you can see this JVZoo. This is what I was talking about, JVZoo. There are some products in JVZoo, some products from ClickBank, Pay Kickstart. These are all affiliate networks where you go and sign up for promoting their products. So that's what it is added here. And again, part 3, there's 3 parts. I think it's for the part 1, part 2, part 3, everything to do with the 40 or so programs, affiliate programs you're going to promote. So all of them, the big advantage of having such system is that if you're a newbie, I'm telling you, if you're a newbie, in order to get approval from these networks is really, really like, because these are all like individual vendors who sell the product. They don't want to give to the newbie just like that because it will spoil their EPC, you know, earning per click. So they always make sure that you have at least like 100 sales or 50 sales before they give you approval. So when we go through this, because of that, influence of this Jamie and the system they are put together, they will give you that approval. Okay, that's extra advantage on that. Okay, so you can see this. This is another extra product, Up Viral approval, SociSnap, PPC kit. These are all products. vidIQ. This is the one which I use for my YouTube. So that's also there. Ambassador approval. So I think this is the what's that guy name? I remember. This is one of the high quality, high ticket program actually. So John Thornhill, I think, yeah, John Thornhill's products. Okay, that's also a big one. Okay, so there's lots of high quality guys. The product you've seen already. See all of them. 3 of them are really, really Link Wizard. Okay, Traffic Signer, PLR Magnets, Marketing Booster. All of them are Veins. Okay, perfect. Traffic Dominator. This I'm also part of it. These are all like there's no doubt about it. The product which they have chosen are all top quality. All part of it or everything is included for you. So you will be basically, they're going to show you to sign up and just add the affiliate ID. That's what they're going to do. Then enter your details to, this is where it is actually, like what they're going to get, right? This is where they put it together. All of them are here. You can see this, this is some, like I'm just showing the outer area. This is where you're going to be the inside membership area. Okay. Website overview, site, global elements, pop-ups, super checkout, like so much other. Okay. This is all like video. You can go through it. And then the last one is you're done for your PDFs. This is what you're going to give it as a lead magnet. And this is we can download from here, then setting up your own product. Okay, if you want to promote your own product, you can set it up as well. But as a newbie, as a beginner, I would really say it's like apart from that cost of what you're going to get this system for, plug and play system, what you're going to get this for done for your system. Apart from that, it's not just like, you know, they are giving you that 40 products which you can promote. You just sign up and add it to the system. This download, one-click download, why they say is one-click download is that done for you pages, that what do you call the PDF, the capture pages, the import pages of all of them are through Builderall. Everything can be instantly downloaded, but you need to have Builderall account. So it's like Builderall. Along with that, those products will be easily downloadable, and then you're good to go. That is how that they are put together, the entire system. You can see this. It's just not that system they're giving. This is just the basic part. The toughest part is driving traffic to your offer. This is where they have done this big thing. You see this traffic hurricane. This is like it covers the entire traffic section. Whether you're going through Google Ads, you're going through organic, solo ads, SEO training, everything is covered. This is where any newbie struggles, because you can build a landing page, you can build anything, but where you suffer is when you going to drive traffic to it. This is something they have put together. This is something I really appreciate. They have covered the entire part of traffic here. Apart from that, they are also, I don't want to show you this one. It's his own Rolodex, means his own list of like a own way of his successful people where he buys traffic from, whether it is media buy or whether it's solo ads or whether it is whatever it is his own successful list of traffic places where you get that traffic from. So that has been included as well. Then is masterclass section. This is where I was talking about that 40 odd videos and 22 odd videos. It's been covered. Then coaching calls. It's what bonus modules. This is like what I would say. It's a plug and play. When I say plug and play, it's given to you in a silver platter. But it's just, what is the point of having everything set it up? You have the offer, you have the product, you have the system, that is that the Builderall system, and you have the follow-up email follow-up sequences. Everything is ready. But the toughest part I said is traffic. So that is also covered. This is like they're put together in such a way that is entire Jamie's, I think the whole system, what he has been promoting, what he has been using in traffic sources, everything has been put together as a system and going to be given to you. So this is exactly, guys, massive affiliate blueprint. Now it's time to reveal you the price. Okay. So apart from that, okay, just not that. Okay. As you can see this, just give you an idea, just the top things, what I'm going to get. 40 done for you, proven high converting affiliate offers. 12 done for you, landing pages. This is Builderall. Okay. 12 done for you, bridge pages. Then this is like that email promotion swipes, which is covered the 365 days. Then the massive traffic secret packages, top traffic experts, and then the unlimited bank email access. Then VIP coaching calls. They're going to bring some VIP guys to the top affiliate marketers to talk with you during the monthly coaching calls. And then traffic Rolodex. This is really, really valuable, guys. I know it is like all other things can be easily can be replicated and learned, but just that traffic part is the core of the entire affiliate marketing. This is where even me struggling, I know I also struggle a lot with traffic, driving traffic. I know I'm more into YouTube and stuff, but this is where the real people suffer. That affiliate marketing journey most importantly depends on this traffic part. So that's something covered here. Then receiving 100% commission on high converting products. Okay, so it's like a huge list, guys. I'm going to leave a link below. You can go through the entire thing, what you're going to get. But the most important thing, what is the product price? Okay, it's going to be $997. Okay, it's going to be $997. That's like almost $1,000 for this entire setup. Okay, so as I said, this is for this is what I told you, is a high ticket offer. Why it is high ticket? Because it's like they're giving you the entire blueprint. Blueprint, when I normally say whenever it is come to high ticket offers, this is how it is like, we're giving you everything, it's really everything. But most part, the cons, I would say, pros are a lot, they're giving everything and stuff. Cons, I would suggest that you have to stick to Builderall. Okay, that's something, that is how they set it up together. That could be a con. I would really, I don't know. I mean, to be frank, if you are good at funnel building, you can just take the email access, you can take everything and you can use it in your own system. Okay, that is possible. But the real aim of this product is that you just click few buttons, add a affiliate ID and you're good to go. That is the reason they have called it as plug and play. But if you're really not good in, if you're not, you don't need to know Builderall, reason, you don't need to learn Builderall. Reason is it is going to be done for you. It's like everything put together on your system and you just need to drive traffic. And that is also taken care. So the few cons I would say is, first and foremost, it's a high ticket offer. So this is not for everybody, only for people who really want to have that jump start. If you can have that extra cash, surely this is going to really, really help you. Whatever I've learned, I can see that, the most important thing is the email part, follow-up email sequences. Most important thing is landing pages, the bridge pages. This is like they are put together everything and giving it to you. So it's like, that is the best part. And the toughest part will be like driving traffic. You need to spend on driving traffic. If it is a free traffic, that's fine. And if you're going to do them Facebook lives and Facebook organic traffic, that's fine. If not, there is going to be some additional costs that I would say as some like paying for the Builderall monthly fee, paying for your autoresponder monthly fee, paying for the traffic, to drive traffic. These are all like extra expenses you're going to incur. So this all comes under the cons. But although I say cons, but when it comes to make money online, you need to spend money to make money. That's the truth. Although you might get free autoresponder, although you can get free funnel builders, there are lots in the market now. Free like traffic, when we say like organic traffics and stuff, there's so many stuffs. You might think it is free, but when it comes to implementing, you have to spend at least I would say like at least you say $50 to $100 in terms of monthly recurring fee. Minimum at least $50 to $100 as a recurring fee. That is how you can push forward with your affiliate journey. This is the truth. Might be for the first few months you might think you're saving money, but end of the day you have to spend money in order to make money. That's the fact. Okay. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's apart from this, you can see I didn't even show you the bonuses. There's like huge list of bonuses. As I said, it's $997, guys. So imagine how much value you have to get in order to buy this product. Okay, this is launching on 15th, okay, October 15th, but you can click the link below and you can just check through whatever, because it's a huge list. I'm not even showing, like I've just shown only a little bit of it, the core of the product, but you can go through the entire list, what all you're gonna get. So you can see this huge this one. See, promote, this is like, that's the other thing. Once you are part of this program, you also have the opportunity to promote this, like, since you're into affiliate marketing, right? So you can always promote this, because you know that this is a done for you system, and it is going to help you in, help in even adding this to your email list. I'm sure they should have added, I think, in order to promote this product as well as a high ticket offer, in order you can also get good commission out of it. That's it, guys. That's massive affiliate blueprint for you. If you're a newbie, or if you're a beginner, or if you're a mid, like, you've been struggling with affiliate marketing, and if you really want, like, like a done for you solution, then this is the one. Okay, so the link below is my affiliate link. So I totally appreciate if you're going to buy it through my link. I'm really thankful for that. So any doubts, any questions, drop below. I will reply to it. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.